Hi there and welcome. I'm happy to see you watching this video. Some of you may not be interested in it, but others may really want to find out about this. So I am now officially starting a campaign on Patreon where you can support my work by donating me monthly payments. Basically, what is it about is about my work, how I make games myself and how I help a community to make games by doing tutorials. And today I'm gonna show you what have I done and why is it worth to support my work. The first game that I've been working recently restarted the work on it. I think it was a week ago. I don't remember correctly. Actually, this is that in this is floated away. I'm gonna open up my app.bga, which supports more things than default Blender. So this is my first project that I've been working on, and you can see how it looks like. I hope that you kinda like its progress so far, and if you support me, I may get more time to work more actively. As you can see, it's some sorta open world survival game, kind of similar to Stranded Deep, and it requires still a lot of work. And if you help me, I can work more actively on it. I can get a better computer to do better records and so on. Next project is Worn Tires. Well, recently I don't have any blend file for it like needed, but I have been working on physics only currently. This is my test file. It's not even half as good as the game will look, because this doesn't have any good paint shaders and things like that. This file is a bit of retry because last version didn't work out like that well. It kind of seems to work, yeah, but it had some issues. Here you can see. What else have been I working on? I'm gonna open it up on Blender Artist because unfortunately I don't have any videos or any Blender files that I could show it of it yet. I'm looking for people to help. If you wanna help me but you can't do it financially, I would really appreciate you if you would come to Blender Arts under team projects. Go to only that here. This is kind of a game project which is open for team. I'm looking for a team. All I have done is drawn some character concepts, very low quality and nothing else. And I need someone to model some assets for me so that I can easier work with some test models. I need somebody to model characters for me, and if anybody could do this, I would be really happy about that. Yes, that's a project of me. So you can go to blenderartist.org site, team projects, under the game engine section, and only that here. Yes. And what else I have been working on is tutorials. And the tutorial that I can really show you my work of is modeling modeling car in Blender. Yes, this is the progress so far. Of course, it will need windshields, fill in this part, add wheel steer with panels, speedometers, and it will need textures. But it's gonna be there soon. Yes, it is gonna be, I promise. Next tutorial's coming really soon. You will have to just wait a bit. And if you support me on Patreon, I will be able to free some more time on these tutorials because I won't have to worry about working for food and things like that so much. I'll have lots of free time, lots more of free time, as well as I'll be more motivated. And I think that it is very important thing for computer artists. Okay, and what is else a good thing that I do in tutorials is I'm making a lot of scripting tutorials. Like, this is the most recent work of me. Well, I'm gonna show you what I did before I make next tutorial. I added a few models to show you off the testings because soon this tutorial will get into smoother details like roads, interactions, infrastructures, and so on. Yeah, and once we get it more complex, and I hope that I can reach the goal of $50 per month. And if I reach it, I'm gonna go into very smooth details like how to make user be able to buy building, get money counted off, and have it placed, and if there isn't enough money then don't buy it, and some complex stuff like, for example, you need a level like that, and then leveling systems and so on. And I'll be able to do it all once I complete my goal. And this is it. This is the work I have been working on, and I hope that you'll like what I have been working on recently. And if you do, then please support me on Patreon if you are able to. If you are not, it's not a thing that you must do. It's volunteer. And if you want to support me and think that I'm doing good thing, then please. And thank you everybody who does already, and I hope that soon I'll reach my goals, and I wish you to reach the goals, the milestones of your life as well, and try as hard as I do. Thank you, and see you soon.